The Shishkebab in Fallout 4 is a compact, refined version of its wasteland predecessors, built around a modified wakizashi rather than a lawnmower blade. It features a sleeker fuel system powered by a Shkult canister instead of a motorcycle tank, while retaining a motorcycle handbrake as its ignition trigger. The weapon produces a constant blue flame when idle, which intensifies into a fierce blaze when swung. It can be obtained from Slag, leader of the Forged Raiders at Sorgus Ironworks, during the quest Out of the Fire. After completing the quest, the Shishkebab can be kept as a reward.
Right minds to build a place like this.
Help! If he tries to leave, kill him. You must be pretty strong to make it here.
Oh, were those your guys? I thought they were just trying to throw me a barbecue.
Ha! Like your style, stranger. Been a while since anyone had the guts to talk to me like that. See, Jake? Here's someone who might actually be worth my time. Unlike you.
They're gonna kill me.
But I brought everything you asked for.
Stealing things from your family farm doesn't prove your strength, boy. Though this wonderful sword you brought does put me in the mood to give you one last chance to prove your worth. What do you say? Kill that prisoner and prove that you aren't completely useless.
You said we'd be raiding outside the Commonwealth. These people aren't even a threat to us.
Prove to me that you can kill. It's him or you.
Oh God, what do I do? What do I do?
Walk away, Jake. You don't have to do this.
Please let me go.
You're right. I don't want to do this. I don't want to join the Forge. I just want to go home.
Last
Hope
chance.
you brought your
Jake.
can opener.